The Calyx Institute is now offering the Inseego MiFi X Pro 5G mobile hotspot device with their Sustainer membership level. Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. The Calyx Institute is a non-profit that offers an unlimited T-Mobile data plan with their membership options. Now, this data plan is a legacy plan that T-Mobile had to inherit when they acquired Sprint about a year ago, and they continue to support as part of their contractual obligations. So this is a legit unlimited data plan that you can get by joining the Calyx Institute or other nonprofits that have access to this plan. Previously, with their Sustainer membership level, they offered the MiFi M2000, which was one of the first generation 5G mobile hotspot devices. So we're excited to see today that they are now offering the flagship T-Mobile hotspot device, which is the MiFi X Pro 5G, kind of a mouthful there, also known as the M3000. And it is the flagship device that T-Mobile is currently selling for $349 directly with their mobile internet plans. Now, this hotspot device features the more modern X62 modem inside of it, which is much more future-proof than the X55 that was in the M2000. It also offers an Ethernet port, which you can use to plug it into any other router, because you do have to use the hotspot device provided by Calyx with their data plans. Now, to become a member, it is $750 for your first year, and that includes the mobile hotspot device and 1 year of unlimited data on T-Mobile's network. It is 50 gigabytes at full speed, and then you are subject to network management after that, which means if you're in a congested market, you might be slowed down. Otherwise, it's temporary. And it is then $500 per year to renew. If you are already a member of the Calyx Institute, you can get an upgraded device for a $400 donation and get the new MiFi X Pro 5G if you want to upgrade from your existing device. If you're one of our members, be sure to log into the linked article that goes along with this video, and we do have some more information in comparison to the hotspot options that Calyx is offering and our guidance there. And if you want to join the Calyx Institute, we do have a referral code that they're offering to all of their members now. And if you use that, you'll get an extra month of service on your annual membership, and we'll get an extra month on our plan so we can keep it in service for continued testing and information on the plan. We appreciate that. That's all we have from the Calyx Institute for now. Join us next time. These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.